everyone, and welcome back to the Pain Minute. Today we're going to talk about a very common issue many of us face, low back pain. Figuring out what's causing your back pain can be tricky, but it's the first step towards finding relief. In this video, we'll go through some common causes and how to identify them. Back pain can stem from various sources, so it's important to understand the different types of pain and their possible causes. Here are a few steps to help you identify what's causing your low back pain. Step 1. Identify the type of pain. Is it a dull ache, sharp stabbing pain, or is something else? The type of pain you feel can give you clues about the source. Dull aches are often associated with muscle strain or ligament sprains, when sharp pain might indicate nerve-related issues like a herniated disc or sciatica. Step 2. Pinpoint the location. Where exactly is the pain located? Lower back pain, upper back pain, or mid-back? The location can help us narrow down the potential causes. Lower back pain is common and can be due to factors like poor posture, lifting heavy objects incorrectly, or even conditions like a lumbar disc herniation. Upper back pain might be related to poor posture, muscular irritation, or issues with the cervical spine. Step 3. Consider your activities. Think about what you were doing when your pain started. Did you lift something heavy? Did you spend hours at a desk? Or did you have an intense workout? Activities can trigger or exacerbate back pain. Repetitive motions or sudden movements can strain muscles and ligaments, leading to pain. Desk jobs can cause poor posture, muscle imbalances, and contribute to discomfort. Step 4. Keep a pain diary. Track the pain when it occurs, its intensity, the activities that seem to trigger it or worsen it. This can potentially identify patterns and potential causes. Noting the time of day, duration of the pain, and any associated activities can provide valuable insights when discussing your symptoms with a healthcare professional. Step 5. Consult with a professional. If your back pain persists or is severe, it is important to seek medical advice. A healthcare professional can perform a physical examination, recommended imaging, and provide an exact diagnosis. You can simply book a consultation call using the link in the description for a proper diagnosis to recognize these signs and receive the right care. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Take care and stay healthy.